Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make these 5 vodka cocktails. Now this is part 2 of this video. I'm going to leave the link for part 1 right here if you guys want to go watch it. Alright, I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you. And if you guys know any easy vodka cocktails like these ones, leave it in the comments. I might make part 3 of this video. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for the first cocktail, we're going to need 3 ingredients. We're going to need vodka, cranberry juice, and pineapple juice. Alright, I'm going to build it in the glass. I'm going to start by adding ice. Next, I'm going to add 2 ounces of vodka. Two ounces of pineapple juice. And I'm just gonna top it up with cranberry juice. I'm gonna mix it. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make the Grape Ape. Alright, let's move to the second cocktail. Alright, so for the next cocktail, we're gonna need vodka, cranberry juice, and some fresh lime. Alright, I'm gonna build this in the glass as well. I'm gonna start by adding some ice. I'm gonna add 2 ounces of vodka. And I'm just gonna top it out with cranberry juice, about 4 ounces. And I'm gonna squeeze some lime juice. And that's how you make the Codder. Alright, let's move to the third cocktail. Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need vodka, fresh grapefruit juice, and cranberry juice. Alright, I'm gonna start by adding ice into the glass. Now I'm gonna add 1.5 ounces of vodka. Two ounces of fresh grapefruit juice. And 2 ounces of cranberry juice. And we're ready to garnish. Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need vodka, chambord, and grape juice. Alright, I'm gonna start by adding ice into a shaker. Next, I'm gonna add 1.5 ounces of vodka. 1 ounce of chambord, and 5 ounces of grape juice. I'm gonna add the fresh ice into the glass. And I'm just gonna strain this. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make the Grape Ape. Alright, let's move to the last cocktail. Alright, so for the last cocktail we're gonna need vodka, fresh grapefruit juice, and some salt for rimming. Alright, I'm gonna start by rimming the glass with salt. Alright, I'm gonna start by adding ice into a shaker. 2 ounces of vodka. Perfect. And 5 ounces of grapefruit juice. Now we're gonna shake it. Now I'm gonna add fresh ice into the glass. And we're gonna strain it. And I'm gonna garnish this with a grapefruit slice. Alright, let's give them a try. I'll give it 7 out of 10. Alright, now let's try the Codder. I'll give it 5 out of 10. Alright, now let's try the Sea Breeze. I'll give it a 6.5 out of 10. Alright, now let's try the Grape Ape. Oh, that's good. I can definitely taste some of the chambord. So far, this one is my favorite. I'll give it 8 out of 10. And the last one, the Salty Dog, it's vodka and grapefruit juice. Alright, let's give this one a try. Really salty. I'll give it 5 out of 10. And that's how you make these 5 easy vodka cocktails. Now, if you guys want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers.